After the home biogas system is fully assembled, wait a day and make sure there are no leaks before starting with the activation. Activate the system in warm weather with an average temperature of at least 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 4 weeks. These temperatures matter in case the winter kit is not used. When choosing the manure to activate your system, make sure it's fresh, wet, and up to 2 days old. You can use manure from cows, sheep, goats, horses, or pigs, but we advise on cow manure. The quantities of manure before mixing with water are as follows. For the Home Biogas 2, it's 100 liters. For the 4, it's 200 liters. And for the 7, it's 300 liters. Remember, activation is a one-time process, which has to be carried out in certain conditions for the right bacteria colony to grow inside the system to ensure biogas production. Mix the animal manure in a ratio 1:1 with water. Make sure there's no straw in the mixture. Add the slurry to the system. Bacteria will reproduce and start forming bacteria colonies. The activation process can take between 1 to 4 weeks, depending on the freshness of the manure and temperature. Do not add food waste until flammable gas is produced. If the system will be fed only with animal manure, there is no need to activate the system and you can start feeding it right away. Once there is gas production, check if the gas is flammable. If there is a steady flame, you can start feeding your system. During the first 2 weeks, feed only half of the amount, because the bacteria are not ready yet for full feeding amount. After 2 weeks, you can start feeding your system daily up to inside the digester, the organic waste is broken down anaerobically. After 2 weeks, you can start feeding your system daily up to inside the digester, the organic waste is broken down anaerobically by methanogenic bacteria. Biogas is then formed as a byproduct of the digestion. First, the gas accumulates at the top of the digester, and then, once purified, it flows into the gas bag. Since it's a closed cycle, when organic waste or water is added to the system, fertilizer will pour out from the outlet. The fertilizer should be diluted in a ratio of 1 to 5, and for trees 1 to 3. As gas accumulates in the gas bag, the pressure starts increasing. The liquid column is pushed downwards by biogas formation. The gas pressure is equal to the liquid column height. 1 centimeter equals 1 millibar equals 100 Pascal. When the gas bag is full, the pressure inside reaches up to 12 millibar. Biogas pushes down the water column on the combined overflow. At 12 millibar, excess biogas is released to the atmosphere from the combined overflow openings. When the stove is turned on, the gas inside the bag starts to flow, which slowly decreases the pressure. The gas bag contains pockets on top and on the sides, which are filled with sandbags. The bags are distributed evenly around the gas tank, so pressure is constantly exerted, even when the gas tank is nearly empty. This guarantees that the stove will be able to light even if the gas bag is not full. When gas is used, the tank empties out, And when being fed again, this cycle starts over and over again on a daily basis. Thank you for your attention, and welcome to the HomeBiogas family. Let's start turning waste into clean energy.